So thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very happy to do this video. So the last two opportunities I've shared, RWS and Telus. Now they are the same. Just understand it. Look at it this way: it's one project. It's a one very big project that was given to different vendors. RWS is paying $8 per hour. Telus is paying $6 per hour. In fact, this project is also on Appen and it's paying $3 per hour. So any of them you've applied for, if you've been shortlisted, you're going to do the same thing. And I'm going to explain the next step in this video. Now, when you get shortlisted, and by the way, if you've not applied for both of these positions or any of these positions I'm talking about, now they're still shortlisting actively. Go and watch my last video and my last two videos. I've talked about RWS and Telus. In fact, I'm going to still post the links to the application in this video so that you don't miss out on it, because this project is going to run from now till December for sure. And a lot of people are going to make money from it, so that when we start talking about how much we've made up from this project, nobody is going to say, oh, when I apply, they don't used to shortlist me. This one is actively shortlisting right now. I want you to apply for it. And if there's one thing I like as a YouTuber, is so that anytime I upload opportunities, people watching me actually gain from these opportunities. So go and apply for this project right now. Now back to the video. Now, when you apply for this project for Telos, you're going to get another mail that tells you to do verification. You're going to snap your passport or your NIM or your voter's card. You're going to scan your face, rotate your face around. And after that, it's going to take a couple days. You're going to get an invitation to take a test on Multimango. Now, if you apply for the one for the ROWS, the process is a little bit different. You're going to write English test. After you finish the English test, you're going to get an email telling you to fill an interest form for Project Diamond. Project Diamond and Project Sonic are the same project from different vendors. So apply for both of them. There's nothing wrong with applying for both of them. Now, when you get that email, both emails, whether you're coming from RWS angle or you're coming from Telus angle, but as long as you've gotten to that point where you're asked to do the Multimango test, then we are at the same page. Now, what you're going to do is that the Multimango test, basically, the aim of this video is to tell you don't be afraid. It's easy. So you're going to get an image. So you're going to just follow the step. You're going to sign in. Telus is going to give you an email you're going to use to sign in. You're going to see the guide, very easy. And when you click on it, you start the task and you see the test. Don't be afraid to start it. It is not timed. Remember, it is not timed. And it is not even proctored. That means they are not monitoring you. It is not timed. All you're going to do in the test is that you're going to be given an image. Now, this image is the same across Telus and RWS. So it is not like one thing that, oh, once you start it, you can't close it. You can start the test today, close it, and start it tomorrow, start it by the next day. So don't be afraid. When you start the test, you'll be given an image. And what you will do with this image is just to look at it very well and describe it. And if you can think outside the box, it is not timed. You can download that image and you can go and study that image. You can go and give, and they will give you answer about that image. You can do a lot about that image. I don't want to mention what I wanted to say, but because I try to avoid some certain kind of things in this channel, because I don't want it to be flagged um, by the website owners, because sometimes they flag videos that actually say some kind of certain things. So, but you understand what I mean when you can download an image, you can analyze it and give it to anybody you want to give you results about the image, but make it humanly. If you're going to use that way, make it sound humanly. I know most of you already know what I'm talking about. So you're going to describe that image in a 1 minute 30 seconds audio. Now it is very easy now. Just get the image. You've gotten this. You can even split your screen to put the image here, read what if you are going to read, but just talk about the image. That's what I mean. So when you're done with that, it's going to translate. Now, for about 7 days now, the Multimango platform has been giving issue. So people that applied from different vendors, RWS, Telus, or different platforms, have been having challenges with submitting their recording, because it does not translate. But it was fixed yesterday. So if you've been having that difficulty, also just rush and go and do your recording now, right now. So the image is the same, and I'm not going to share the image because there's no point in sharing the image, because I told you it is not proctored, it is not timed. So you can always open the test and get the image by yourself and read it for whether it's 2 days and come back and do it. Go and study that image. Just give a 1 minute 30 seconds audio description of that video, of that image. That is all you're going to do for the test. Now, when you're done with that, for Telus, it's going to take a couple days and they're going to get back to you. If it is RWS also takes a couple days. That's for people that applied before now. Like I said, the Multimango platform had issue for the past few days and a lot of backlog of applications, so it may take a little bit longer right now. But basically, this is what you're going to do next after your application. And again, I'm urging you guys, if you've not applied, go and apply for this test right now. Go and apply for these two positions. Please go and apply for them.